Morning, Steve Walker, Client Portfolio Manager on npower's optimisation desk with the market update on Thursday the 4th of June. So markets have nudged higher at the open again this morning with headlines including Greek and OPEC meetings kind of starting today and into tomorrow. Russia re-entering the headlines, been fairly quiet there in the past couple of months really. And that persistent prompt tightness, again seeing that going to continue today. For more information, please contact the desk at the displayed email address, or please keep watching. So starting with the gas markets, line packs have again opened short this morning. It's been a consistent theme through the week. We've seen a dip in LNG send out, MRS withdrawals have tapered off as well. Rough nominated to inject almost 20 MTM. Potential there to dip and loosen those balances. But again, we're seeing quite a changeable supply mix, the result of which are generally short balances, especially at the start of the day. Exports through our UK have fallen slightly, so it should help offset some of those reductions on the supply side. Demand, however, is set to fall in the coming days as temperatures warm and we move into the middle of summer. So there is scope for MRS to get involved at current spreads, although stocks are starting to kind of draw down at those facilities. Again, kind of making the prompt a little bit tighter. Some Norway production is set to return in the coming days, again as demand falls, so you might see some pressure there at the front. I guess we'd reiterate our view of quite a changeable supply mix at the moment, and the difficulty in having a firm view across a given week. Looking towards the power market now, a continuation of this week's themes really. Peak demand has gained 1 gigawatt on the day. It's a bit of a surprise there, helping tighten things up at the prompt. Wind generation has fallen to just above 1 gigawatt today. That's from over 6 gigawatts at peak through this week. So we're seeing a higher call on the gas stations there. Solar feed-in is set to increase above 5 gigawatts today, helping to offset some of those reductions from the wind. Dutch and the French interconnectors are again nominated to import to the UK at their maximum capacity. In the wider markets, there's quite a bit going on towards the end of the week. Russia re-entered the headlines yesterday. Intense fighting in Donetsk, the heaviest since the Minsk agreement was signed back in February, potentially helping support prices on the gas side. Brent broke through 64 to the downside, however, as expectations build ahead of tomorrow's OPEC meeting. It's widely expected to maintain the current status quo of overproduction, keep the pressure there on prices. Greece is back at the negotiating table from today, with an agreement appearing likely, according to market commentators and senior ministers. That's it for today. Have a good day.